Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Chetan Kumar and I'm a senior data analyst. I have over 8 years of experience working on data, and today's session is all about Alteryx. So this is a new session and there will be a series of sessions that will help you understand Alteryx better. I'm Alteryx Designer Core and Alteryx Advanced certified, so I'll help you and guide you through the process to understand the tool even better and how you can apply it on your day-to-day analysis. So let's start with today's session. Today's session is all about installation. So on my screen you can see we have two versions of Alteryx that you can use. So we need only the desktop trial version as of now. Trial you get only for 14 days. So after 14 days it expires and you need to request for a license. But if you don't have a job and if you're looking for a job and you want to learn Alteryx, you can request Alteryx for a 3-month session. They'll provide you the license for 3 months. If you are a student, you can apply for 1 year. So for students, you get 1 year of license to learn Alteryx and apply for your jobs. So just get the desktop trial version, as I've already downloaded on my system. I'll show you the steps how to install on your system. Before we start, let's understand the machine requirement. So Alteryx Designer requirements are the machine requirement is minimum of 64-bit. OS requirement for Windows is minimum Windows 10. For Mac, virtual machine installation is required. For CPU, it's 4-core minimum. Processor is 2.5 gigahertz or faster. RAM is 8 gigs. And the size of the disk is 500 GB to 1 terabyte. So this is the minimum requirement for installing and working on Alteryx on your system. So before you install, just make sure you have these minimum requirement fulfilled on your system. So let's get started. So I have already downloaded the Alteryx non-admin version on my system. So I'll just start the installation process. Just follow along. Before we get started, like as it's taking time for Alteryx to install, I'll just give you a brief about Alteryx. So Alteryx is a powerful data analytics and automation platform designed to streamline and simplify data workflows for professionals in various industries like marketing, sales, finance. So every domain they use Alteryx for data blending and data analysis. With its user-friendly interface and advanced capabilities, Alteryx enables users to quickly prepare and blend and analyze and even visualize data without requiring extensive coding or technical expertise. It's widely used by data analysts, business analysts, data scientists, and others who needs to process and analyze large data sets. So there are key features of Alteryx. You might be using these features in SQL or during Excel workshops, but these are the features which with low and no coding you can do it in Alteryx. For example, let's start. The first feature is data blending. So Alteryx allows you to blend data from a wide range of sources such as databases, flat files, cloud applications, and APIs. You can merge data from different formats, types, and locations to create a single unified dataset for analysis. Data preparation is the second key feature of Alteryx. One of Alteryx's standout features is the ability to clean, transform, and prepare data. With intuitive drag and drop tools, user can filter, aggregate, pivot, and reshape data in a matter of clicks. The drastic reduces the time spent on data wrangling, enabling users to focus on analysis and insights. Third feature is analytics. Alteryx offers a broad range of built-in analytics tools for statistical analysis, predictive modeling, and machine learning. Machine learning is licenses are not free. It's called Alteryx Suite and you require a license, separate license for that to access those tools. Whether you are looking to run a regression analysis or apply advanced algorithm or build a decision tree, Alteryx provide the tools to do so without writing complex code. So the fourth feature is automation. So Alteryx helps you automate repetitive tasks, ensuring that once you build a workflow, it can reuse and execute at scale. This is particularly helpful for business that need to run reports or process on a regular basis. And it saves time and reduces human error. Fifth feature is integration with other tools. Alteryx integrates seamlessly with popular tools like Tableau, Power BI, R, Python, and SQL databases, allowing users to incorporate data visualization, run custom scripts, and work within their existing ecosystem. Sixth feature is collaborations. Alteryx Server and Alteryx Designer Cloud allow users to share workflows, collaborate on projects, and even run them in the cloud, like analytical apps, or where you can collaborate, like multiple people can access that particular analytical app on their own system without having designer installed on your system. This makes it easier for terms of work together on large and complex data projects. Seventh is data visualization. While Alteryx is not primarily a data visualization tool, Tableau, Power BI are good data visualization tools that I would always recommend. But Alteryx does have some features where you can use to visualize data, but it's not recommended. But the best thing about Alteryx is you can integrate the data to Tableau and Power BI. That enables you to visualize data for their data transformation and analysis. And even you can do advanced analytics. That's the eighth feature. Alteryx provides like specialized tools for data scientists, including predictive analytics, spatial analysis, and text mining. There are multiple. This allows you to build like sophisticated models for forecasting, segmentation, and classification. As you know, like you may ask why Alteryx, like why not other tools? The Alteryx stands out for its easy to use and flexibility. Unlike traditional tools, which often require extensive programming languages or knowledge or manual processing, Alteryx allows users to build complex data workflows through a drag and drop interface. This makes it accessible to both technical and non-technical users. Whether you are a data science analyst working on monthly reports or a data scientist creating predictive models, Alteryx offers the tools to handle everything from a simple data manipulation to cutting edge analytics. So let's understand who uses Alteryx. What domain people can take benefit from this particular tool. For example, let's start with business analysts. To streamline data workflows and generate actionable insights, business analysts can use it. Data analysts to clean, blend, and analyze data without having having a rely on complex things like complex coding, because it's a drag and drop tool. Data scientists to create predictive models, apply advanced analytics like machine learning and AI. Marketing teams to analyze customer data, segment markets, and optimize campaigns. Operations and finance team to track and optimize business process, budgeting, and financial reporting. And why Alteryx is different from, if you compare Alteryx from traditional tools like SQL or Excel, first of all, SQL, Excel, they require coding, and is a no coding required in Alteryx. It's just a drag and drop tool. Even if you don't have a background in computer science, you can work on Alteryx. It is that easy. So it's a drag and drop tool with no code to less code, and even people from non-technical background can also work in this tool. And the data preparation is pretty fast. Rather, whether when you spend a lot of time coding, You can the drag and drop helps you to fasten your work, and you can develop complex data, do complex analysis or complex blending using Alteryx. And unlike Excel or other tools that may only handle a specific part of the analytics process, Alteryx can take data from raw from all the way to final analysis and visualization. Alteryx is a robust, versatile platform that empowers users to effectively handle data preparation, blending, and analysis. It allows business to automate process, build predictive models, and create repetitive workflows, all without needing to needing any programming language, or not. You don't have to be an expert in coding. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced data professional, Alteryx is a powerful tool that can transform how you work on the data. You just need an analytical mind to understand how you want to transform a data, or even if you want to learn it, you should know what the requirement is for developing a particular project. This tool help you or even guide you with examples to understand how you can implement those tools within Alteryx. So Alteryx is a very advanced tool, and I would always recommend going for such strong ETL tool for your data analysis or day-to-day work. It's really a strong and powerful tool, and I would recommend giving it a try for a trial version, and I'll guide you throughout the process to understand how tools work. What are the major tools that you can use? There are 300 plus tools within Alteryx, but it depends on your use case. It depends on your requirement, how you use them. It's not a data analyst may not require a tool that a data scientist use for predictive modeling, or data scientist may require or may not require. So it depends on your use case and your role, how you can use Alteryx for your data analysis. So we are almost there. It was a brief intro on how you can Alteryx and why Alteryx is a powerful tool for data blending. It's called ETL tool. It's an extract, transform, and load tool. But it does have a lot of features that helps even in non-programming background people to learn it and implement it. And it's widely used in a lot of companies. And let's wait for the installation. I'll pause the video as of now. So the installation is complete. Let's click on finish. So this is the Alteryx platform. So these are the tools. I'll explain these tools in our next session. For this session, this was just for installation, so this is only for installation. Let's see you in next session. I'll explain about each tools and how you can use them. Thank you.